Hello friends, my name is Jafar and I'm going to teach you the process of creating a beautiful and personalized birthday card using Canva. Well, Canva is a popular online graphic design tool that allows users to easily create professional looking designs for a variety of purposes, including social media posts and marketing materials and presentation and many more. It offers user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, graphics, and fonts that can be used to create visually appealing designs very quickly and easily. Now you don't have to go to the store and buy birthday card or greeting card. Using Canva, you can create the one of its kind that shows your loved one how much you care for them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your personal touch in the birthday cards you create within Canva. Well, whether you are looking to learn something new or entertain, you are on the right track because here there is something for everyone. So stay tuned. So first of all, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that you never miss a video that I post. So let's start from here. So let's start creating our design. So let's take a design. I'm going to take here the Instagram post. I'm taking the portrait size 1080 multiplied by 1350. You can also take this Instagram square post, hardly it makes any difference. So let's start creating the design. I'm going to this element section. The best thing according to me about this Canva is it has very user-friendly interface and you find everything easily here, and it's very easy and convenient to use. So I'm going to find some background for my design. I'm going to find some rough texture. Let's find some rough textures. I hope I find a good one. I think I might use this one. This look good. Now I'm going to set it as a background. No. Now what I'm going to do here is to find some borders, and for that using this paper cut option, I think I might use this one. Let's place it here. I'm going to increase some size of it. I'm going to change its color. I want to have some dark colors. I think it's too dark right now. I think this looks fine. Now I want to set some borders at the bottom. Now I'm just hoping to find something nice, something that suits according to my design. Let's hope we find a good one. I think I might use this one. This will look good. I'm going to flip it here. I'm going to flip it horizontally and I'm going to place it right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some text. I'm going to write here happy birthday, happy birthday. Now what I'm going to do is to increase some size of it, and I'm going to change my font. I want to have a font which look nice. I want some funky kind of text. Let's use this one. This is going to look nice, looking very nice. Now what I'm going to do here is to change the color of this text. That is looking nice according to me. Now I'm going to add some frames here. I'm going to the element section again and I'm going to find a frame. Hope I find some good frames. I'm going to use this. This will look very nice. going to reduce some size of it. I'm going to just rotate a bit. Now what I'm going to do here is to add some shadows. I'm going to take this shadow and I'm going to place it inside of it. Now just select this one and I'm going to put it forward. A little bit of adjustment need to be made. Now it's looking nice. So now what I'm going to do is to add some text here, a birthday wish or something like that. So I'm going to copy some text related to birthday. Now let's add the text from here first. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to set its size. I'm going to reduce it further. Now this is looking nice according to me. I'm going to change the text. I'm going to change it to this one. This to me looks better. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to add a picture. I'm going to this photos section and I'm going to find some I'm going to find a picture of a girl, a beautiful picture of a girl. This one is looking nice, so I'm going to put it here. Now as we are creating this birthday card, and birthday is a kind of celebration, so how can we have a celebration without the balloons? So I'm going to add the flavor through the balloons. So let's find some balloons. I hope I find some good ones. I think I might use this one. I think it is too much for the, it is not looking good. Let's find something else. And I think this one is looking very nice, so I'm going to place it here. I think this one looking very nice. I'm going to place it here. Now what? I'm going to add some more flavors in it. So I'm going to find something else here. I'm going to find a color splash. Let's hope I find something interesting. I think this will look very nice. This is going to definitely look nice with my card. I am going to place it here. Looking nice. I have some spaces uncovered, so I need to find something else. Now I'm going to type paint stroke. I need to have some strokes. I think I like this one. I'm going to place it here and I'm going to change the color to this, and I'm going to type her name. I'm going to type the name of the girl. Now that I have typed the name, I want to add some more elements to this area, so I'm going to find some more interesting things. Something which is related to birthday, some elements, some fun elements which I can use. I'm going to find it. Let's hope I find some good things here. uh, I think this will look good. This is going to definitely look good. I'm going to place this thing, these balloons here, and that is it. This has also covered the area which was empty, and now according to me this design is completed. I hope you like it. That's all in this tutorial. I hope you find this video informative as well as helpful in learning more about the Canva. With Canva, you can create professional looking designs easily and quickly. But remember, practice makes perfect. So always do the practice and create your own designs. If you have any queries or questions regarding Canva, you can post in the comment section, and I'm going to reply it. But before leaving, don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications so that you get the notifications of my future videos. So bye for now and take care.